Abstract meme coins are starting to go viral. I've made over 10,000 US dollars in the past week alone trading on Abstract. So today's tutorial, guys, is going to show you how to trade meme coins on Abstract, all the way in the trenches, and some of the swing trading strategies that I've been using over the past couple of weeks trading meme coins on Abstract. So if you enjoy this content, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss an upload. If you want abstract meme coin calls like this Guna call where we made over 9x in literally 2 days, check out GTG. The WAP.com link is in the description below, and you can get some of these trade calls plus so much more education in the crypto space in GTG. All right, guys, without further ado, let's dive into Abstract. The abstract meme coin trenches are heating up, guys, as well as many swing trades, and I'm making thousands of dollars per day across the trenches and across this swing trade. So you definitely want to lock in right now. Now, ultimately, if you want to sign up for Looterbot, which is the way that I'm going to show you how to trade some of these meme coins right now, sign up using the Looterbot link in the description down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll help you out. Now, Abstract is going absolutely viral for its on-chain liquidity, its gaming. Okay, we had the big coin that went semi-viral as well. And ultimately, it's the meme coins that are really starting to thrive in this ecosystem. Guna up like 15x in the past 2 days, okay? And again, I shared this in GTG and on a Abstract live stream 2 days ago at 200K. It's now at 2.1 million. But yes, this is what Abstract looks like, guys, when you get signed up, okay? Come to portal.abs.xyz, okay? Sign up with a AGW wallet, okay? This is what it'll look like once you come in, okay? Set it up, send some money across from Relay Bridge. Now, I have done a video on this before, okay, where you can use Relay Bridge. So if I just pull that one up for you guys, Relay link, okay, here it is. You come over to relay.link/bridge and you can bridge any chain, literally any chain, EVM, okay, straight to your Abstract wallet. So come back to Abstract, copy that there, okay, come and paste it here, okay, on the acceptance side. So I'm sending it from my MetaMask wallet, okay, say it's on Base, say it's on ETH, whatever it is, ETH on ETH. As you can see, I've got 0.02, okay, I'm selecting, okay, that I would send it from there. I would, as I showed you before, I copy my Abstract wallet from my address here, paste it here, and then I'd select the token that I want. Now, ultimately, all chains, so come to Abstract, click on Abstract, you're bridging ETH from Ethereum on mainnet, okay, so MetaMask straight to your Ethereum wallet on Abstract, and that'll send you ETH, and it's very cheap and very quick to use, guys, because it is a layer 2, and I mean, Ethereum is super cheap and fast at the moment as well. But what you're all here to find is essentially all the meme coins, guys, that are going absolutely crazy. I mean, look at some of these returns, okay? This is up 400% literally in the last 24 hours. Berry is up over 2x in the past 24 hours as well, okay? Now we're starting to see a bit of a pullback on other memes, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you can't find some potential degen trades right now. So I showed you how to bridge, okay? So that's how to get some money onto Abstract. Now, where you can actually send some money to trade is actually Looterbot as well. So once you come into Looterbot, guys, once you click on that link in the description down below, it's going to open you up like this. Now, ultimately, there's 2 ways to onboard your liquidity, your money onto this platform. Now, you can obviously send some Ethereum straight from your MetaMask wallet or your Rabi wallet or from an exchange straight to this wallet. If you click Ethereum here, you can literally send it. And there's some proof that I sent some before. You copy that wallet address like normal and send it directly there. Now, what that would actually involve is that you have to bridge, okay, your money across to Abstract on this bot, and you can do that within the bot. But what I want to show you today is a very simple way of how you can onboard some Ethereum directly from Abstract, okay, which a lot of you I know are already on Abstract, and put it straight onto your little bot. So go to View Wallets, okay, and as you can see here, it's going to give you a range of different chains that you can trade on, and that's what I love about Looter. You can literally trade on so many different chains. If you come and click Abstract, which is the bottom middle one, you're going to have 5 different wallets. Again, you can select multiple wallets at multiple times whenever you want to trade, okay? Say you want to break your trades into 3 different wallets, you can literally do that. But for the sake of this video, let's just discuss one wallet. So I copy my wallet address up the top, okay? I then come back to Abstract, okay? I go up to the top where it says send, okay? I come across here, I select Ethereum. Now, again, you can trade any of these meme coins. I could literally send my Abster bag to my Ethereum to my Looterbot if I would like to just hold it on Looterbot. And I'll talk a little bit about XP very shortly. Now, I want to swap to ETH, okay? I'm going to send 0.1 ETH again to my Looter address. Let's just double check it. So it ends in 49, starts with OX, okay, to OX2, ends in 49, okay? Come back, click Ethereum, click zero point 0.1 ETH. We're going to send zero point 0.1 ETH, review the tokens, and send it over there. Now, again, because it's a layer 2, guys, it's super quick and it arrives very fast. And if you want to check it, you can come here, check AppScan for any of these sort of transactions that you're doing on chain. Now, let's just double check it. Okay, so come back, go abstract now. Okay, click back into it. Bang, there it is. 0.105 has already been added to my abstract wallet here on Ludo. So that's how you onboard. That's a really simple way to deposit money from mainnet, like I said before, on Ethereum through the relay bridge. So bridging it onto abstract, then you can have your abstract money there. You can buy NFTs, you can buy meme coins on the platform as well. But why would I want to be using Ludobot? So essentially what you can do is set limit orders. Okay, so buy orders and sell orders on Ludobot. You can also trade pre-bonding tokens. So for you trench warriors who are coming over from Solana, from Base, wherever else it is, whichever other chain it is, this is probably the bot for you, okay? Because you can trade it on your phone and you can set limit orders and you can buy pre-bonding tokens, which you can't do on the abstract portal until they have bonded. And bonding sits around that 60 to 70K sort of market cap on abstract meme coins. Now, again, a really important part, if you want to earn some XP for the abstract airdrop, which I mean is a no-brainer. I think this is going to be a 6-figure plus airdrop for the ecosystem. Come down here and literally link your AGW, which is Abstract Global Wallet. So if you look here, BA, okay, if you come back, that is literally my address from my Abstract Global Wallet, BA. And that way, any trading, any volume I do on the Ludobot, okay, any meme coins that I hold there will go to my weekly XP, which will generate, obviously, over time, the final XP that I'll have allocated for the abstract airdrop token later this year, which we are expecting to occur between September and December. So you still have a lot of time to jump onto this chain and really start exploring. Now, once we're in here, guys, a really simple way to trade. And I mean, I just bought this this token before, which is absolutely sending Pengu. Okay, I dropped this. We're chatting with a few degens in the abstract trenches right now. Called it in GTG. Okay, just before at about 60K. So it's absolutely pumping. But again, very simple trading bot. Like a lot of you have used previously in Solana meme coin trading, Base meme coin trader, whichever chain it is. Copy the contract, come over to Luda, paste it straight in there because now we have some actual money on the platform. Okay, paste it in here. It's going to give you your usual statistics. Okay, so what is the CA? What's the pool? You can double check that it doesn't have any tax. Ideally, 100. Well, not even ideally. If a meme coin has tax, I don't even trade it. Okay, max transactions 100, fantastic. Okay, what the current market cap is, so it's 106. Price impact, so that tells you slippage. So as it says here, right, let me just understand this for you or break it down for you so you understand it. So what it is saying is per 0.02 ETH, which is, I don't even know, maybe like 20 bucks or 30 bucks, you will have a slippage of 0.34. Okay, so again, if you're a larger whale trader, do be aware of breaking your transactions into smaller amounts if you are looking to trade some of these lower cap tokens. But as you can see, the base gas right now is very cheap, 0.04 Gwei. Okay, recommended extra is 1.0 Gwei. And again, we'll look at settings very shortly. But as you can see here, it brings up all 5 of your wallets on Abstract. And as you can see, I've got 0.1 ETH on that wallet 1 ready to go. Now, I obviously have bought this before. I've got a couple million tokens here on the Pengu side that I'm going to probably hold for a while. Again, I think this could be a really cool meme that could go to 1 million. Again, this is not financial advice. Please obviously do your own research. But I think you are early to Abstract and you're early to the meme coin trenches over there. Now, ultimately, you can preset all of these in your settings, guys, but it has buy 0.1, buy 1 ETH, buy 0.5, or obviously if you come and select this button down the bottom, you can allocate any amount of ETH that you want. So for example, say you're a smaller trader, 0.05, okay, paste it in there and it'll prompt you to change that amount and bang, there you have. I can buy 0.005 ETH of this particular token. Say you're a whale, okay, and you want to buy 5 ETH, literally just swap it to 5 ETH, okay, you've got 5 ETH in your wallet and it'll allow you, oh, if I click it again, I know you need to prompt it, okay, and there we go. Now we're talking, okay, then you prompt it and bang, there you go. I could buy 5 ETH of this token. Now, the beautiful thing is that you can limit buy. And what does limit buy mean? It allows you to set a market cap that you would like to buy this token at, okay, so you click on that. Okay, what it's going to show you again is a draft. Okay, so you have to execute this accordingly. So come through, double check some of the settings. Now, this is where you can also do limit sell. So over here, so limit sell, limit buy. Okay, you click for the sake of this, I'll do limit sell because I'm already in a position, but the same premise works if you're limit buying. Now, as you can see here, okay, limit sell. Now, the amount that I want to sell, I'm going to sell. Okay, so how much do I want to sell in terms of percentage? Okay, I want to sell 50%. Okay, I'm going to sell 50%. All right, at so expires in. So how long do I want it to expire in? Literally, you can go up to 1440 minutes. So I'm going to go 1400. So I want the max because I think this could run over the many coming days. So I mean, 1400 minutes is, I would have to do some quick math, chat. Let me have a very quick look. So 1440 divided by 60 is how many hours? Okay, that is 24 hours. So you literally have to come back every 24 hours and just double check. Okay, what price do you want it to be? So market cap, I'm going to use market cap because that's a very simple way to go about it. So as you can see here, please import your target market cap. So it's currently 105K. So I'm going to reply to this and I'm going to say at 500K. Okay, 500K. I would like, is that 50K or 500? No, 500K. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. I want to sell 50% of my position, okay? Because that'll be, I don't even know, like a 5 to 6x. Slippage 5%, that's pretty standard. Again, if you're a larger wallet trader, you could probably go up a little bit. With these lower trench meme coins, you probably do need to be aware that you do need to run a little bit higher slippage. If you're a smaller wallet trader, do bring the slippage down as well. Auto gas, again, you can feature this in whichever way and streamline it specifically to your wallet as well, but you can manipulate that as well. But I'm happy with auto gas. And I click confirm, guys, and bang, okay? It's going to allow me to have my limit order buy, okay, pending, pretty much there, ready to go. Now, if I want to come and check that or change it, I can literally come and click edit in the bot, or I could delete it altogether if I would like. If I want to walk away or say I'm going to sleep, okay, I can literally put in a stop loss at my entry if it's above my entry, or stop losses in general, okay? Or I could obviously set some take profits. And again, you can do this for multiple entries. Just set 5% profits along the way, okay, for example, or 100% out, stop loss, break even, whatever your strategy is. But again, we break this down in GTG and show you how to trade like this every single day. But guys, very simple bot to use. But if we come back and go to the homepage just to show you what it looks like when you're in some positions, we come and have a look, okay? You can view all your wallets here. You can sell all your tokens there. You can snipe some particular tokens if you know the CA early, or if you know the CA in advance, which I mean, it's pretty rare these days. But essentially you can come check your trade history. But for the sake of this, let's just look at our position. So you can click the little button down the bottom. You can go to positions as well, and it's going to show me my current position. So as you can see, dark paying you, it's currently worth 0.33 of an ETH. Okay, I'm up 0.21 of an ETH as well. And you can share a P&L card as well, which is pretty dope. So it's going to generate this for me, which I can go put in Twitter. I can go put in GTG, all those sorts of things. So bang, here it is, which it actually links. That's pretty sick. Actually, that's pretty dope. I'm going to drop that out there. Absolutely. But guys, if you have any questions, again, I want to keep all the settings pretty simple, okay? Again, you don't need to go in here and manipulate it in any particular way, but you can change your time zone, change your language, okay? Confirmation mode, so that could be an extra click or less clicks, all those sorts of things. You can change all of those in your settings if you would like as well. Change your P&L settings if you like. Name, show, P&L, show, price, market cap, show. So I love this bot because it allows you to trade so many different ways, set limit orders. You can trade on your phone. You can be confident that it's going to work and execute when you are away from the charts. And that is why I'm using Looter, again, to trade pre-bonding market cap. So that's where I bought this Deepengu way back here at like 60K. Okay, that's where I bought it before it's obviously absolutely ripping now, nearly 2x, which is pretty crazy. But there's so many opportunities right now, guys. Now, the last strategy I wanted to talk about is simple swing trading TA strategies, okay? I want to use two examples. So Abstar was, it was on an absolute heater. Now, I decided to avoid sort of buying it here. I started to DCA during this dip here, and then I went pretty hard during this breakout as well. But simple TA strategy, guys, just waiting for consolidation, waiting for strength of Fibonacci levels. Like I've literally showed you this for the past 2 years in meme coins, okay? Very simple trading strategies. My entry average was about 10 million, and sure enough, we're well over 2x on that currently after that breakout. Let me show you Guna, okay? Like I showed you in the intro, this was an absolute sender, and it's actually, oh my God, it's absolutely pumping right now. But again, I can show you my buys and sells if I come and click my wallet from Abstract, which you can see I'm still owning 2.4 million Guna, which is currently worth 4.5K. But if we come and have a look, you can see exactly where I bought and took my initials out earlier. So if you come down and have a look, bang, that's where I bought. So very simple trading strategies. You know me. I love a 786 retest multiple times, literally a triple bottom there, guys. Breakout, retest here, We retested resistance as support. We retested the 0.5 golden pocket as support, and we went absolutely crazy from there, guys. And again, it's 2 simple buys, okay? And sure enough, I've taken my initials out earlier, just here in this block here. I mean, it wasn't quite the all-time high week, but I took some profits here. Or actually, no, I just took my initials out. Yeah, I literally only took 0.2 out, which is the amount that I put in. So I'm holding this bag for a lot higher. I think meme coins have a lot of potential on abstract because there's only 10 million right now in volume, or daily volume might be a little bit higher now that we're going pretty viral. Let's actually go have a look. Does it tell me on Dex Screener? Yeah, no. So 24-hour volume is starting to really pick up on abstract. If you guys, this is why I'm so focused on abstract right now. 16 million volume for a very up and coming chain with IP, with games, with devs being happy, with new building. Like, you can build dApps on there, guys. DeFi starting to pick up on there as well. Like, you want to be somewhere that's 1, fun, but 2, has an airdrop, but 3 is starting to make some serious money, and liquidity and volume increasing, and transactions are increasing. So even if it steals a tiny market share of literally of what base does, okay, which is a fellow layer 2, like 1 billion, guys, even if abstract gets to 100 million 24 hours volume consistently, these meme coins are going to be worth over 50 million, over 100 million, literally in the weeks to come. And please don't let me remind you that I didn't warn you with this fantastic opportunity right now in the abstract ecosystem. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, you have any feedback, let me know down in the comment section down below. But use Luda, okay? That is the bot that I'm currently using to trade a lot of my abstract meme coins. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And guys, I very much appreciate you tuning in. So there you have it, guys. That's how I've made over 10 grand in the past week just trading abstract meme coins. If you like my content, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and do turn notifications on so you don't miss an upload. And as always, guys, I want you to become a better trader. So check out GTG, where you can learn to become a better trader, get access to all these trade calls that I talk about every single week. And we've been doing this, printing consistent profit across all of cryptocurrency markets since mid-2023. So I want you to win. Check out GTG in the description below and join us every single day in this beautiful space that we call cryptocurrency. As always, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.